Whoa. Dude, that guy just went down a hole. I thought you were gonna.
I will not be doing that again.
What? Welcome to Aquatica in Orlando. Ooh.
That is chilly water.
Cool thing is they have a lazy river here and a rapids river, and for the rapids you can wear life vests if you want. You don't need it, but it makes traveling down the rapids fun. That way you don't have to try to just support yourself. You can just float, basically like you would on a lazy river, just with more speed. Whoa, this is fast.
This is crazy.
See, buddy. Yeah, definitely a good idea to put a life vest on. Because you would definitely get moving here. All right, that ride was pretty awesome. It almost like a roller coaster, shoots you off at the very start and then has a really awesome drop at the end. Makes you feel weightless for a couple minutes or a couple seconds, but really fun. You have to have at least 4 to 6 people, but you just wait a little bit and then people will get to you. And now we're trying to do this across the crazy bridge. Probably not the smartest thing in the world.
Oh my God, we're going fast.
Huh? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, babe. This is gonna be nuts. Babe, this is gonna be nuts. I'm on these ones. Grip onto these ones, babe. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Oh man. Hold on. All right, that was awesome. Kim, how did you enjoy having to go backwards there?
I did not like the backwards part because as I was going backwards, I could hear you yell, "Oh man," or whatever you said, and so then I gripped tighter and I just went like straight down. So I didn't know it was coming other than you saying something.
The funny part is that when you sit in that thing, you have to stick your legs out.
Yeah.
They don't actually go, they go up and over, and then your butt barely sits in it, and so
it's
you
like
feel like
little tiny hole.
Yeah.
So you feel like you're gonna bounce right out of it.
Right, and that drop was.
Woo!
You don't get too many water slides with a drop like that, so pretty cool. Here we go. Woo! There we go. Oh, dark. Oh man, here we go.
Okay, it's one of the fun parts about the Kazi Twister, and is that the name of? There's two toilet bowl, I guess, different toilet bowls you can come down. But it spits you out at the bottom and then just kicks you right in lazy river. So then you just keep floating. That is a lot of fish.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Yeah! Whoa! Stupid! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Now you know how my whole first ride went.
Cross your arms over your chest and hold your shoulders. Step 4. Tell the operator when you're ready to drop. Step 5.
Okay, so Jason has decided to take one for the team. He said he's gonna do the orange drop slide. I will not do them. But what's funny is he's continued every time he turns the corner on the platform, he turns and he looks, trying to figure out which color he wants, because they all do something a little different. So I think he ended up sticking with it, so he should be coming out of this orange one. There he is.
Kim's going for it. She's gonna do the orange plunge. I can't believe she's gonna do it. She's a trooper. If I do something, there's no way she's gonna let me do it and then she not do it. She's just too tough for that. Have fun. We'll see you at the bottom. This is gonna be a good time. She does not like these tube rides. She could do just about any coaster or water slide, but she hates being enclosed in tubes. She gets claustrophobic and she has to plug her nose. So this should be fun to see. I thought it was a blast, but we'll see what she thinks. I'm not sure if she chickened out or what, but it's been like 2 minutes and she's still not down yet. Oh, here she comes, I think. I thought you were gonna chicken out.
I will not be doing that again.
What?
So fun.
Dude, that was fun as heck.
You go right on ahead. My heart rate before, because I said it was 131 before I climbed into the thing. Yeah, make him go.
No, make you go backwards.
Wow. Oh, dude, I don't want to do this backwards. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, no, no.
How'd you get?
Knock a 6 cookie down.
Have fun, babe.
That means the whole way is backwards.
Yep.
Whoa! That's the worst feeling ever! That's what you get.
Oh gosh. Oh, why? What? Whoa! Whoa! Why do you keep doing that to me, man? All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed our day at Aquatica. Wasn't even in the plans. Our plan was to go to Volcano Bay, which is owned by Universal out here. And so kind of funny that we ended up hitting up Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, SeaWorld here in Orlando, and then Aquatica, which are all owned by SeaWorld. And I just have to say that I was really impressed with SeaWorld. It was, again, it wasn't even, we thought about maybe going to Busch Gardens, but we wanted to try Volcano Bay because we'd been to Aquatica, but that was 15 years ago or so when it first opened. And they just didn't have very many rides, and now it's a full-fledged water park, probably the best one they've got. In fact, most people say it's the best one in Orlando. So highly recommend if you're coming here. I know a lot of people come here for Disney and then they kind of skip over some of these other parks. We were so lucky today. It was 80, mid-80s. Yeah. And there was nobody here. I mean, we got in line. We didn't wait in line for more than 10 minutes for any of the rides.
Right, and even though there was a breeze, I mean, we had wind at some times, but it was like never goosebump. You know,
yeah.
it wasn't that cold.
Right. The service is good. It just seems like I said before on all these other videos, it just seems like they're doing something right. They play the national anthem when the park opened. They do a lot for the troops. I know my brother who's in the Air Force, he can get in for free. His family can get in for like 50% off. When we went to Busch Gardens, they let us in for free. it's just funny about that. They've got rules in place, but they don't really enforce them. They're like, hey, you're in the military, come on in, you know, we're going to take care of you. The GoPro situation, you know, it said no personal cameras, but everybody had, you know, GoPros like I did today, so that we could, you know, show you guys about the park. And, you know, I had it on a strap on my wrist, so it's not like a selfie stick. So that was a little bit different. There was only a couple slides, I think the drop slides, where they actually said no GoPro, which made perfect sense. Yeah,
everywhere else you were able to use it. So.
Right, so if you do come, just know that you probably can bring a camera if you want to record some of your adventures and whatever. But yeah, I highly recommend you check out SeaWorld and stuff. Again, it also seems like they're doing a lot of good stuff for animals, and you know, the profits that they take in, you know, they do have to maintain their parks and pay employees and all that stuff, but a portion of it is going to help out sea life and things like that, so pretty cool. Anything else?
No. Apologize for the hair. This is
babe, you look fantastic.
This is Aquatica hair.
All right, so this is our last day. We'll I think we're gonna go down to downtown Disney tonight and try to maybe eat somewhere different that we hadn't been before. So that should be pretty fun, and then back on a plane tomorrow and back home. So hope you enjoyed all of our adventures this last week. We had a great time, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Take care.